Hi, today I'll show you a quick demo about how Squeezer blockchain connector works and how the Squeezer team managed to integrate the microservices for the blockchain in the friendly manner. So basically the connector is only a client designed for the Squeezer blockchain gateway where all the magic happens. So basically this is just a wrapper. So let's move to the Squeezer blockchain gateway documentation, test environment for now. And here we have a bunch of endpoints. So in order to use the connector, you need to create a project and generate a new Squeezer access key. So let's move to the terminal. Okay. And template API images. Okay. Let's switch the project directory. Install the packages. And let's generate a new access key. Okay. Okay. So this is the access key that we will use on the blockchain connector to access some private features like configure the ITN your callback URL. So let's start with the instant transaction notification, aka ITN. The ITN feature is similar to the IPN or an instant payment notification feature used by PayPal. So basically when there is a new incoming transaction in process, the ITN protocol will trigger a callback URL to the user system. Let's configure the ITN callback URL. We'll need the access key which previously we generated with the Squeezer framework and the callback URL. So we can mock up a callback URL using the Squeezer framework. We will use the hello world microservice function. Okay. As you can see, Squeezer works as a complete full stack technology, and you don't need to integrate other parties in order to develop a new feature to the blockchain. Okay. By adding this new line, we can check the cloud logs later and see what the ITN protocol delivered to the callback URL. Okay, so let's compile the project for the cloud development and deployment. Okay. Okay, the deployment succeeded. Let's check the hello world endpoint. Okay, so it works. So what we'll need is this API endpoint. Let's add it to the ITN callback URL. Okay, and let's grab the access key. Okay. Okay, so the ITN callback URL was successfully configured. We can test it. The system will trigger a fake transaction. We need the access key again. Okay, so right now we should see the transaction in the cloud logs. Yes, so as you can see, the ITN protocol delivered the transaction to the callback URL. So, okay, we can move further. Let's create a wallet. Oops, so I'll need the access key again. Okay, so okay. Okay, so the system created a new wallet. We have the wallet ID, the address of the wallet, case, and the token. So this one is really important. Actually, the generated token contains the wallet private data, and you will need it later for transactions or triggering smart contracts. Please note that the token will not be stored by any circumstance on our platform. So the user is fully responsible to find a secure way to store it for later usage additionally to the wallet ID. You need a wallet, so it's mandatory actually for the current workflow and is required to send transaction. So we have the new wallet. Let's send some ethers to the new wallet from the Ethereum test network. Okay. We should see the new transaction on the cloud logs. We should wait a few seconds more for this one. Okay, so it seems that the new ethers are successfully delivered to our wallet address, and we should be able to check the balance for this wallet ID. Okay. Yep, as you can see, we have one ether in the wallet. And the transactions should be available too. Okay. So I have the from address, the amount, the type of the transaction, we can be in or out, the hash of the transaction, the status, which is completed, and the ITN status. This one is to confirm that the transaction notification was successfully sent to the ITN callback URL. So, this is the latest update regarding Squeezer blockchain connector. Thanks for your time.